Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd show my DIY haircut. Mind the fringe. I just got lots of kinks and bumps in my fringe. And I've got a very curious little toddler outside who's talking in through the window. Anyway, so I will show you the back. So that's the back. Got a lot of extra bumps in it, but that's because I've developed some extra waves in my hair that I didn't know I had. But next time I cut it, I will show you how I've done it, because it's actually evenly layered all the way down. It's just that I've got these bumps up the top, along with a couple little grey streaks. I think I have a few extra after all this moving. But it's actually nicely evenly layered. This is after sleeping on it, so it's extra bumpy and wavy. I did wash it last night. But yeah, and normally I have it up, so it's not a big drama. I'll put it up and show you. Okay, so that's how I normally wear my hair. It's all nicely layered. I'm actually really happy with it. It's sitting really nicely. My hair's feeling really healthy. And that's like the first haircut I've had since the little noisy one that's outside was born. So he is now 3.5. So yeah, it's been a while since I've had a haircut. I do my fringe regularly, so it keeps out of my eyes. But that's the first time the back's been cut. So yes. Anyway, have a great one. Bless you.